Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know it's been so long. Yeah, I was a little bit busy, but now I'm back. In today's video, I'm going to make it a very quick one. I'm going to be talking about this Mixa cream, this color of Mixa cream. You know, we have so many types of Mixa cream, from shea butter to camphor to panthenol, but this one I'm going to talk about is the Urea Repair. Urea Repair from Mixa, the red color. Guys, if you have strawberry skin or chicken skin, you know, this skin that has tiny bumps on the bum, the thighs, the legs, this is your solution. This is your solution. This Mixa cream is really moisturizing and is so good for dry skin. Guys, as a new mom, my skin was so destroyed, and this is the cream that has really repaired my skin. As you can see, it says repair here. It's written clearly and boldly here, repair. And what I really like about this cream is it's good for the face. You can see they have this joint. It's good for the face, it's good for your legs, and also your hands, like all over your body. So even if you don't have a face cream, you can still use this cream as your face cream. Guys, it's so moisturizing, and it has 10% urea. We all know urea is so good for dry skin, cracked skin. Urea moisturizes the skin and then repairs damaged skin. For example, if you have bleached your skin and you are trying to repair your skin, if you have bleached your skin and you are trying to get your old skin back, to get a smooth, soft skin, guys, go for this Urea repairs from Mixa. Go and get this color. Go and get this color. And what I also really like about this cream is it has niacin-amide. It has niacin-amide. Guys, we use niacin-amide for our skincare routine on our faces. So if now we are fortunate that they put it in creams, why not? It will brighten your skin. It won't bleach you. Look at my skin. It won't bleach you. It will repair your skin and makes your skin so soft and beautiful and so supple. Let me show you the consistency of this cream. I have to be very quick. This is the consistency of the cream. It comes in two forms. It has the body milk and it has the cream. This is the cream. Let me show you how the consistency is. Let me show you how. This is the consistency. It's so thick. Okay, now my hands are a little bit dry, so let's try and moisturize our hands as an experiment from this cream. You see my hands? See how my hands are shining? It's so good for dry skin, guys. It's so good. It has repaired my skin, and even I'm so fortunate that it's also fading my stretch marks. It's fading my stretch marks, guys. I'm not lying. This cream is, look at my hands. Look at my hands. And if you use this cream, there's no way you're going to get dark knuckles, guys. I have an old video where my knuckles were very dark. You can check on my videos. I was talking about how to fade dark knuckles. In that video, I was applying some lemon and stuff. I was treating it, let me say it. But I will make a separate video to compare my hands. This cream won't give you dark knuckles. It won't bleach you. If you are light skinned, you can use it. If you are dark skinned, caramel skin, it will give you this nice glow. Look at my skin. I'm not light, I'm in between. So if you are dark, if you are chocolate, caramel, light, you can use this cream. And let me list some some of the ingredients for you to see. It has water as the first ingredient. Guys, if you buy any cream and the first ingredient is not water, please don't buy it. If you buy any cream and the first ingredient is not water, don't buy it. And it also has urea. Urea repairs the skin and moisturizes the skin. Look at my hands. And the third ingredient is glycerin. My sisters, you know glycerin, sometimes we even buy glycerin to mix in our creams to moisturize our skin. This cream has everything. Don't sleep on it. It has everything. Go and get it. Go and get it. You can use it on the face, the body, every part of your skin. I won't go through all the ingredients. It has so many ingredients. Okay, it even has citric acid. Citric acid is almost like vitamin C, and we know what vitamin C does for the body. I don't want to be long in the video. I want to make it quick. Vitamin C is so good for the body. It has citric acid. It has a little bit fragrance. Let me talk about the smell. It doesn't really smell like perfume, like perfume. No, the smell is so mild. If you have allergy with smells, this is for you, guys. This is for you. The smell is so down. It smells a little bit like aloe vera, like aloe. It's so nice, and I really like it, guys. And it also has shea butter. I don't want to mention all the ingredients. These are the common ones I have mentioned. Yeah, it has glycerin, it has water, it has niacin-amide, it has citric acid, and the last one, it has a lot, but the last one I want to also say to talk about is the what's the name? Water and shea butter. Guys, get the red one. If you have that chicken strawberry skin, please go and buy it. Go and buy it. It's very cheap. It's less than 8 euros. It's less than 8 euros. If you don't find this one, you can also, if you're using any type of the mixer, for example, if you are using the shea butter and it's good on your skin, don't go and buy this one. But this one is really for damaged skin. Like after you bleached your skin is so damaged. You have stretch marks, you have hyperpigmentation, you are scared to show your body. Please go for this. It's clearly written repair. Urea, Sika or the Sisa repair. Repair plus. It even add plus to it, and it has 10% urea and niacin-amide. Guys, it's not so common to find a cream with niacin-amide, but we are so fortunate that Mixa decided to add it to their cream for us. Guys, I'm dying with Mixa. And let me also say this, maybe the next time you also find me reviewing about another cream, because sometimes, for example, if my skin feels so dry and damaged, this is what I will use. And if we are in winter, this is what I can also use. But in summer, I don't really like to use very thick creams like this because of the heat and the sweat. So I interchange between creams. Like this is like my go-to body lotion. This is my go-to body lotion. If you have this black points in between your thighs, you know, sometimes our big sisters, they have some black spots in between their thighs. Guys, go and buy this Mixa red color. And come and thank me later. Guys, don't forget to check on my other videos. I'm going to be uploading new videos. I was away, and yeah, my channel is a little bit boring, but stay tuned. Click on the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe if you have watched me till now. Thank you and bye. I love you. Mwah.